Hello, let's do a little bit of volumizing in this beautiful, beautiful wig that I am wearing. Okay, I think it was Stephanie on here that I was watching. Saw her do this cake, Naturally Luxe Beauty, the Big Wig Dry Texture Spray. And I wanted to give this a try because I was so impressed with what I saw with the volume on these synthetic, heat-friendly synthetic wigs. Okay, so I am wearing Daisy from Wigs by Canada, and she is a 13 by 6. You guys ready? Take a look at that. Look at that. It is so nice. Okay, and she's just a beautiful, beautiful color. But let's get into this one. So what I saw, put this back on, Stephanie do was she had the wig on, and then she used the spray. So we're going to give this a try. Let's give this a brush first. Not that it's really going to matter, but because I'm about to mess it up. You guys ready? Let's try this together. I'm so excited. So I'm going to give this a shake. And then we are just going to start lifting. And I know there's so many different ways to add lift and volume to wigs, but this just looked so cool. So now that we've got it in there, we're going to take this off, and we are going to apply some heat to the cap, just to the lace area. I'm just going to use medium heat. Would help with my heat turned on. Okay, just inside the lace. By the way, that cake brand smells delicious. And then you just want to brush through. Stephanie, I hope I'm doing you proud, girl. This just looked so amazing. And just be gentle. This is one of my favorite wigs at the moment. I just love it. It's just so comfortable, so pretty. Okay, let's try that. And if we need to add some more heat to it, we will. But let's see what that did. Okay, so that did add some volume. That's cool. And the whole point is I want to be able to move this wig around. Look at that. Okay, let's add, I like that. So let's add some more heat. I'm going to blast it with a shot of cold air. Let's try this, you guys. So now if I can move this all around, I'm going to love this. Look at that. Now I'm sure I can go in and I could add some more if I wanted to get some more volume in this, but this is gorgeous. What do you guys think? So that was just this little bit of spray from the cake, the Big Wig Dry Texture Spray, a little bit of heat, and look what you get. So pretty. I love it. Okay, thank you, Stephanie, and thank you, the cake. This is not sponsored. I bought this off the Zon, and I love it. Okay, have a wonderful, wonderful day.